For now, though, it's time to grab some soulful conversations. Come alive with Manju Ramanan and the guest of the week on Tete with Saffron.
Today is a very special episode for me because the guests on a Tete with Saffron today are from my hometown, Baroda. Mr. Ram Bakshani and Mrs. Veena Bakshani. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Manju.
The partition of India brought you from Hyderabad in Pakistan, finally to Gujarat, to Baroda. Tell us about your childhood.
That has been really exciting and learning experiences. Difficult also. But I think we have sailed through that time very successfully, and where I have reached here, I feel that going through that situation has made me appreciate the difficulties through which many of my brethren here and in India are going through.
What are the qualities of your husband that you admire the most?
जब मैंने शादी किया तब बख्शानी रहते तो दुबई में थे, पर मुझे उसका लेटर 8 दिन में 2 कम से कम आते थे. नहीं भी आते थे तो मेरी जेठानी बोलती है क्यों, मेरे भाऊ का क्यों लेटर नहीं आया है. तो मैं बोलती हूँ डोंट वरी, आ जाएगा. तो वो जब लेटर लिखता था तो एक एक पेज में वो अपने छोटे फोटो भेजते थे, एक एक पेज में. तो वही खासियत है मेरे हस्बैंड की कि मेरे को याद तो करता था ना बहुत.
What do you admire most about your wife?
Yes, I mean, the first and foremost is her beauty, the charm, and I think you agree with me. And she has accepted what I am. I mean, she has never bothered me in my aspirations or activities.
You've taken part in dramas too. Tell us about that side of your personality.
I think one needs to learn a lot of attentiveness by working in dramas, because particularly the dramas in which I have played, there was no prompting from backstage, and if you miss a word, or if your co-artist misses a sentence or a word, then whole drama can be totally upset.
When did you come to Dubai and how did you adjust here?
जब मेरी शादी हो गई तब जब मेरे बाप ने पूछा कि लड़का लड़की लेके जाएगा, तो बोला भाई हमारे कंपनी में तो लड़की को लेके नहीं जाते हैं. तो शादी तो कर ली. फिर मैं इसमें 2-3 महीने के बाद मैं इधर आई, और आते ही बहुत छोटा शहर था पर लोग बहुत अच्छे थे, पर दुबई अच्छी थी, नॉट बैड.
Tell us about ITL.
ITL is a company which set its foot during Trucialis's time in the year 1953 and recently celebrated 60 years of existence here. We started as a textile trader, and then we have never looked back. So from textiles, we went into hospitality industry, we went into manufacturing, we went to banking and electronics. And some of the items, some of the lines we have exited because they did not do well, and with some we are continuing. And this is exactly we are doing. This is ITL.
What a pleasure it was to speak to both of you. Thank you for being on the show.
Same here, Manju.